Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add or remove desktops on your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and be signed into your account, and then you can go all the way to the computer, 2 fingers down on the magic mouse to go to mission control, or 3 fingers up on a trackpad to go to mission control, or we can go all the way down to the dock, go to launchpad, mission control, and then go up on your computer. We see 3 desktops available. We can click on the X to remove the current desktop or the desktop we were on, and then go to the right hand top corner, click on the plus a couple of times to keep adding the desktops. Desktop 2, desktop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, however many you have. Mission control, go back to the first desktop. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.